Talked a lot on this program about the impact of the tax deal on blue states like California, like New Jersey, and like New York. Flat out, it's a disaster for those states because many of those people who earn good money in those blue states will end up paying a lot more in tax. No tax cut for them. Come on in, please. Alfredo Ortiz, he is with the Job Creators Network, I believe. Now, you think,
right.
I think you believe that this tax deal is going to force an exodus of people out of California, New York, and New Jersey, and it might even force those states to lower their own taxes. Is that accurate?
Stuart, I think what we have is an example really of almost the emperor has no clothes here. For years and years, these high tax cut states, these blue liberal states, a tax and spend agenda, they have taken advantage of the federal code, the tax code, to really hide from the real story here, which is just a lack of fiscal discipline on their behalf. You just heard from the congressman from California. You know, he voted against the tax cut. But frankly, you know, he should be uniting with these other representatives like himself who did vote against it and work with the state legislators and local legislators to actually apply fiscal discipline in those states and localities.
Oh, I agreed entirely. That's what they should do. But you don't really believe that legislatures in California, New York, and New Jersey will ever lower taxes. You don't really believe that, do you?
Well, you know, it is a new year, so I'm hopeful that maybe they'll start seeing that.
Yeah, but you're realistic.
You know, I do think in the end they're going to vote with their feet.
You're a realistic guy. Now, do you really? Are you going to tell me that this year, next year, any year, you pick a year, you're going to tell me that California, uber liberal, is going to lower taxes? I flat out, I don't believe it. I'm sorry, I just don't believe it.
Yeah, no, Stuart, here's one of two things that I probably do know will happen. Voters are actually going to do one of two things. They're either going to vote their representatives out, their legislators out, or they're going to vote with their feet, and they are going to leave those states. And so, you know, we're already seeing some of the mass exodus that has happened that's cost about $200 billion in lost revenues for some of these high-tax states already. We are going to start seeing that. But again, it's a new year. I'd like to think that I can be a little bit hopeful and think that they may start seeing a little bit of religion.
Well, we like optimists. I am an optimist, but not in this particular case. Alfredo Ortiz, come on back and we've got more time for you, I promise.